It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to another NPHC inspired nail look. Today our organization is Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, and for this, of course, their colors are crimson and cream. So I grabbed some red and white supplies so that we can get this look going. First, I'm going in on the pinky, middle, and thumbnail to paint those white. And I'm going to paint the pointer finger and the ring finger this glittery red color. And of course, we're going to cure it, and then I'm going to go in with my second coat. If you missed any of the videos in the NPHC series, definitely check them out. I will have some of them in the cards. Now I'm going in with the solid red polish, and I am creating a V French. And I got majority of the polish on there with the traditional brush, and then to sharpen up my lines, I'm going to go in with this smaller detail brush. Now, of course, if you like it like this, you can leave it like this, but I am going to be adding some base gel and applying glitter. If you are a member or know a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, definitely share this video. It is about time for me to do my nails again, so put some suggestions in the comments of what you think I should do to my nails next. I just got some jelly tips from Double Dip, so if you guys want to see me use those, then definitely let me know. So after I cure that, I'm going in with, and I believe this is my gem gel or my rhinestone gel. It's a little thicker. So I'm just putting that right on top of that red V French area, and then I'm dipping it into my red glitter. And this red glitter is from my glitter line. And because that white is still a little tacky, I'm going in with some alcohol to clean that up. And then of course I'm going to just press that glitter down to make sure that it's flat. You can leave the glitter, uncovered on the nail. I am going to cover it with some top coat, but once again, it's up to you. You can kind of just leave the glitter exposed, and it can be kind of like a sugar nail. But I don't like that rough feeling on my nails, so whenever I put glitter on my nails, typically I'm going to cover it and encapsulate it in a top coat. Also, you don't necessarily have to put the red under the glitter. That's just something that I did so that if there were any areas where you can kind of see through the glitter, you wouldn't completely see like white spots. So that's why I went in with the red and then put the red glitter on top. So after this last one, I'm going to cure them in my lamp, and then I'm going to add some cuticle rhinestones. On the white and red nails, I'm going to add a red rhinestone at the cuticle, and on the red nails, I'm going to add a white rhinestone at the cuticle. I thought about adding a rhinestone at the point of the V, so if that's something that you like, you can definitely give that a go. And this is me top coating that glitter. And this is the set. Let me know in the comments if you would rock it. If you are or you know a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated and you would rock these nails, definitely share it. Leave me some comments about all of the organizations that you guys are participating in. Let me know what kind of work you guys do, what kind of things you support, your initiatives, and all of those things, so that we can get some videos out with your organization's colors. I hope you enjoyed this video. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.